these PDLs who were released are still in the custody of the Bureau of Immigration. And I have ordered the Bureau of Immigration to hold any further deportation proceedings.
Thank you, sir. And we'd like to commend you for that, because even the 4 Chinese nationals, convicts, no, who were released by the Bucor and turned over to the Immigration Bureau last August lang yata, August 16, are still there, and you have already ordered the suspension because in the course of the review of the IRR and the law itself, nandun pa sila. So, is there a possibility that they can still be brought back to Muntinlupa and the Davao Penal Colony? Depending, of course, on your recommendation when you shall have finished your study.
There is a possibility, but I cannot make a very a short answer to that question because, Senator, we're still reviewing the guidelines and the implementing rules and regulations. And we still have to deal with a very sensitive question of what to do with PDLs who might have committed heinous crimes but who might have already been released. So that is a very sensitive and complicated legal question. It may involve constitutional issues, if I may say, Senator, so maybe it's kind of premature for me to make a very definitive answer to your question, sir.
But definitely the deportation proceedings has been held in abeyance.
Oh, yes, definitely.
So they won't be deported until such time that you lift the suspension of the deportation.
That is my very clear order to the Bureau of Immigration, Senator.